Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the headset model, USB connector type, and whether the cable looks damaged. This helps isolate hardware versus software issues. Once done, plug the headset into a different port and swap in a known good cable so you rule out a faulty lead. Make sure to open Device Manager right away and scan for disabled controllers or unknown devices. Seeing a yellow icon tells you Windows recognizes a problem, which guides whether to reinstall drivers or focus on physical repairs. You now address software and power management causes. Uninstall the headset entry in Device Manager, and then reboot so Windows reinstalls fresh drivers automatically. While restarted, make sure USB Selective Suspend is disabled, and the Power Management tab on each USB hub is set to allow the computer to control power. This prevents the port from turning off mid-use. Next, update the audio and USB chipset drivers from the vendor. Updated firmware or drivers often fix compatibility and power negotiation problems between headset and host. Finish by verifying the headset on another known good device. If it fails there, you have a hardware fault. If it works, the problem is host side. For intermittent audio, inspect the cable near joints. A careful resolder or cable replacement often restores continuity. Make sure to perform a headset factory reset if available, then retest. If problems persist, gather Device Manager screenshots, event log entries, and exact model info, and contact support. This provides them what they need to resolve stubborn USB handshake or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.